This cruise buffet is huge.
I know, there is so much food.
I am going to eat 10 pancakes. I am looking for the healthy fruit and yogurt. Mom, look at this. Ice cream.
I see it, Ginu. It looks nice.
I really want some.
Maybe later, sweetie.
Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and it's free. Yeah.
Yes, honey, but it's 8 in the morning.
Yeah.
So ice cream is not breakfast.
2 plus. Ooh.
But I'm hungry.
I want to eat it right now.
Ice cream is dessert. You eat it after lunch or after dinner.
But Mom, it's a vacation.
Come with me. We're getting real food first. Look here. Eggs, toast, fruit, yogurt.
Oh, I don't want eggs.
You need them. They give you energy.
No. Ice cream gives me energy.
Your body needs different things. That's called balanced. Balanced? What does that mean? It means equal. Not too much of one thing.
I still don't get it.
Like when you build with toy blocks.
Oh, my blocks.
If you put too many blocks on one side, what happens?
It falls down.
Exactly. Your body is the same.
So if I eat only sugar,
I fall down? Too much sugar, and you'll feel bad later.
okay, fine. Can I have ice cream after?
After you finish a balanced breakfast. Yes, a small one. Deal! Give me the eggs!
Wah! Why?
That's my good boy!
Dad, that is a lot of food.
It's a buffet, Emma. You can take as much as you want.
But can you eat all that?
Watch me. I am a hungry man today.
Michael, remember what happened last cruise?
What happened? We had a great time.
No, we didn't. Yes, we did. Oh, you ate too much at the buffet every day.
And the food was delicious.
Then your pants didn't fit at formal night.
That was 5 years ago. I'm fine now.
Dad, your plate is heavier than a bowling ball.
Don't worry about my plate. Go find your own food.
Look at my avocado toast. It's beautiful. It looks like green mush.
I am posting this to my Instagram. Healthy living. I am eating eggs so I can get ice cream.
Slow down, Ginu. You are going to choke. I am building a strong block tower inside my tummy. Michael, where did you find pizza at 8 a.m.?
The pizza station is open 24 hours. It's a miracle. This is the best breakfast ever.
I hope those pants have stretchy material.
Hey Ginu, want some extra bacon?
No thanks, Dad. I only need healthy blocks right now.
Are you okay, buddy? You refused bacon.
Mom said I get a sweet reward if I eat this. Your blocks are gonna fall over, Dad.
My blocks are perfectly fine. I have a strong foundation.
Listen to your son, Michael. He understands balance. I am balancing this pizza with this sausage, see?
Dad, you literally have 0 green things on your plate.
The plate itself has a green pattern. That counts.
Mom, look! I finished all my eggs and fruit. Wow, that was very fast, Ginu. Is my body balanced now? Did I do it? Yes, you did a great job. Your tower is strong. So can I go to the ice cream machine now?
Yes, you can go. But remember, a small one.
What?
I think I need a break.
A break? You only ate half of your food.
I am so full, I can't eat another bite. Ugh.
I told you, Michael. That was way too much.
Dad, are you defeated by a pancake?
My eyes were bigger than my stomach.
Your eyes were bigger than your stomach. I warned you.
Okay, you were right. I was greedy.
I think my blocks just crashed.
You definitely failed the balanced diet test.
Look what I got. Chocolate and vanilla twist.
That looks really good, buddy.
It's so cold and sweet. Best breakfast ever.
Because you earned it with real food first.
Do you want to taste, Dad? It gives you energy.
Please take it away.
Even the smell of food makes me full.
Genu, Dad can't eat. His tower is broken.
Oh no. Poor Dad. Should I get you some eggs?
No eggs. Just water.
I need water and a nap.
You can't nap. We have to go to the pool.
Are you ready to go to the pool, Michael?
Give me 5 minutes.
I need to digest.
I am going to find a good chair in the sun.
Don't forget to put on your sunscreen.
Dad, can you swim with a full tummy?
No, Genu. I am going to float like a heavy boat. I will protect you from the pool sharks.
Thank you, Captain G.
Genu?
No problem, Dad.
Okay, let's go. How do the pants feel, Michael?
They are a little tight.
Dad, you are terrible at making excuses. Oh.
I am a victim of the buffet, Emma.
Done. My tummy is perfectly happy. See? That is the magic of a balanced meal.
Okay, let's head to the pool deck. Race you to the elevators, Dad.
No racing.
Only very slow walking today. You walk like a turtle. Next time, maybe start with a salad?
Next time.
I am letting you make my plate.
Come on, slowpokes. The sunshine is waiting. I'm coming. I have ice cream energy.
Vacation has officially started.
Yes. But tomorrow, I only eat oatmeal.
We'll see about that, Michael. We'll see.
I mean it this time. Seriously.